Good morning, students. How are you? How's your Sunday? How you spent it? Tell me how you spent it. With doing some working or all the time playing and playing and playing and so on? Okay, today I'm going to give you the solutions for the worksheets which I given you on Saturday. I hope you all get it. So I'm going to give you the solution that how you have to solve it. I'm not going to give you the complete solution now, as you are now big enough to solve them yourselves and check yourselves answers. Okay, so here it is. See students, in worksheet 1 write in expanded form, and the solution is example is given to you in that form, but you can write in expanded form like this also. Any form, any method you can choose of your choice. Okay students. Okay, so first method is that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Again you can write place values over them, ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, you can write it like this. Okay beta, so two 10,000s, so you can easily write now 4,000s, 100, two tens and 8 ones. Or if any question is written like this, I think this is B part, right? Okay, second 5,000 plus 800. Okay, like this. Again you can write place values, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay students, by writing the place value actually it will be more feasible and more easier to you to solve the question or to write the expanded form or the number name or the short form or whatever you want to write. Okay, number name, expanded form are more easier, or the place value chart. If you want to make place value chart, it will more easier to you if it is in that method. Okay beta, so 5,000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 9. So again, if you want to write in that method, this is the example is given to you, that's why I writing it. But if you want to write like 1,000, there is no 1, 10,000, but 1,000 is not there, 0, so no need to write that one. Okay beta, 400, 6 tens and 3 ones. You can choose any of the way. Okay, किसी भी मेथड में आप लिख सकते हैं, you can write by any way. In second worksheet राइट इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. आई थिंक ये आपके पास थोड़ी सी डिफेक्टिव आई है, 1 to 4 to 13 और समथिंग लाइक दिस, बट होमवर्क शीट में ये आपके पास कंप्लीट आई होगी, बिकॉज आई फेस सम प्रॉब्लम एंड आई टेक इट लेटर ऑन व्हेन आई सेंट इट. ओके, सो आपको पूरी सॉल्व करनी है. सी हाउ, like 5,700 and 2 tens. 2 tens means 20, that's why ones place is not given, so 0 at ones place. 1,000 plus 800 plus 34 ones. 34 means 34 exactly 3. That means 3 tens is given in that one. 34 is 30 plus 4, right? That's why it is like this. 7,000, 5 tens, 4 ones. 100 place is missing, so 7,054 is the standard form. 300, 7 tens, 2,000s. So see, there are the places are not particular. If it is given like this no issues, but you have to write 2 at thousands, 300 and 7 tens means 70. Okay, this. Now worksheet 3 is comparison. Put less than, greater than or equal to. Okay, I write all the answers, so you can check over there. From there you can check your answers. Okay, then question number 2 is arrange the following in the descending order. So you can also check the answers from over there. First question is according to the Indian numeration system, and the second question is according to the international numeration system. But you don't bother about them because you know both the numeration system now. Okay class, so you I can pause it so you can take a look over them. Next is arrange the following in ascending order, means from smallest to increasing मतलब smallest, then greater, then greater, then greater, then greatest. Okay, so you have to arrange them. Again they are given you as a one question is of Indian numeration system and the another part B is of international numeration system, but again no bother, don't bother about them, that is only the numbers. Okay, so you have to arrange them. If number is given in to Indian or international numeration system, no bother on the what is the greater or the which one is the smaller. Okay beta, don't affect the number which is smaller, which is greater. Okay beta, so you have to write them accordingly. You can pause the video and check your answers. Be very careful according to them, and let's see what's in your next class. I'll tell you about the next class in next class only, as I am not decided yet which I have to, whether I have to go through with the exercise 3.2, whether I have started the question exercise 3.2 or given you more assignments, more worksheets. So I have not decided yet. Once I decided, and you will get to know in the next class. Please take a look over there and be careful while you checking your sheets, worksheet solution. Okay, and please be careful while doing the worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. There are a very much number of the question, 22 I think, so no need to do complete, but up to 15 or 20 you can do. Okay, you can left 2 or 3 questions over them. Okay beta, so take a look over them again, once again. Okay, I'm going to zoom it so it will be more easier to you now. Okay, have a look over there. You can take a look. Okay beta, okay. So you have to, I suppose you will get the worksheets now very clearly. If you can't do that till then, now you can do it. Okay, please do it and solve it completely and carefully. Okay, bye, take care.